Hey there, Lumen lovers! Welcome back to the Product Critic channel. Are you tired of juggling a flashlight and power bank like a circus seal? Well, say goodbye to that clunk in your bag, because the Olight Baton 4 packs a double punch, blazing brightness, and a power bank with a 5000 mAh battery that can fully charge your phone up to 5 times. Remember, you have the link to buy this flashlight in the description with fast delivery and warranty. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and become a part of our bright community. This isn't your grandpa's flashlight. We're talking 1300 lumens of eye-searing brilliance, blasting darkness into oblivion. The Baton 4 has 6 levels of light, from a gentle moonbeam to a party-starting strobe. Need to find your keys? Boom, low mode. Exploring a cave? Unleash the turbo blast. The Baton 4 isn't just a light show, it's a power bank superhero with a 5000 mAh battery. That's enough to fully charge your phone up to 5 times. Imagine being the office hero, the camping lifesaver, the power bank king. Ditch the cords, embrace the freedom. This little pocket rocket isn't afraid of getting dirty. It's water resistant up to 2 meters for up to 30 minutes, so even a rogue rainstorm won't dampen its shine. And forget flimsy plastic. The Baton 4 is built like a tank with a durable aluminum body. Toss it in your bag, clip it to your belt, stick it to metal with its built-in magnet. This light goes wherever you do. The Baton 4 is packed with smart features like a micro-perforated battery indicator and a digital display case for precise control. Plus, the bi-directional clip lets you attach it wherever you need a hands-free light show. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a city slicker, this flashlight is your trusty sidekick. So, ditch the bulky, the dim, the unreliable. Upgrade your life with the Olight Baton 4. It's more than just a flashlight, it's a statement. A statement that says, I'm prepared for anything, and I look damn good doing it. Look, nobody's perfect, not even flashlights. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Pricey pal, the Baton 4 doesn't come cheap. Compared to other compact powerhouses, it might stretch your budget a bit. Bulky buddy, the charging case is, well, chunky. If you're a minimalist, it might feel like an extra brick in your bag. Weight watcher, it's not the lightest flashlight out there. Fixed focus, no zoom function here. If you need to pinpoint light on a specific area, this might not be your best bet. The Olight Baton 4 is a good option for those looking for a compact and powerful flashlight with a good set of features. On the one hand, it offers a wide range of features and functions coming in at $99. On the other hand, its price is higher than that of other compact and powerful models. So, should you get it? That's up to you. Weigh the pros and cons, think about your needs, and if the Baton 4 ticks your boxes, grab it. You won't regret having this pocket powerhouse at your side. Click the link in the description below to grab your Baton 4 before they vanish like, well, a beam of light in the dark. And remember to subscribe for more gear reviews that'll make your life brighter. Let's light up the world, one lumen at a time.